Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel EduFun, your destination for education and fun. Our topic for the day is an English poem of class 7th ICSE course written by George Bernard Shaw. The name of the poem is Television. As I told you, the topic for the day is class 7th ICSE English poem Television by George Bernard Shaw. Understanding a poem from that of a prose is totally a different thing. For understanding a poem, first and foremost thing we'll have to do is we'll have to know about the poet. To understand a poem, there are basically four steps involved. First is we will have to know about the poet. Second is reading the whole poem. Third one is understanding the essence of the poem. This is the main portion of understanding poem. And fourth one is line by line meaning. First, so we will carry out the exercise of learning about the poet. Here is the image of George Bernard Shaw. Before learning the poem, why learning about the poet is so important? Let me give you an example of it. Have you ever seen the match? Have you ever seen a cricket match playing between India and Afghanistan? You can recall that national anthems of both the nations were being played before the commencement of the match. Now, if I ask you, do you like the national anthem of Bangladesh? Then your answer might be, I don't know. If I tell you that the national anthem of India and Bangladesh were written by same poet Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, then what will be your response? I'm sure you will start liking the national anthem of Bangladesh also. That's why learning about the poet before learning the poem is also very much crucial and important, as it gives us insight about the circumstances of the era in which the poet was living. George Bernard Shaw was, was, an, was a legendary poet. He was born in Ireland and spent most of his time in London. He is probably the only person who has won Oscar Award and also won Nobel Prize for his famous play Pygmalion. Such kind of things are very rare, but in Indian context, there is an example. There is one author called Dr. C. Narayan Reddy. He won the highest literary prize, Gyanpith Award, and also won 2 state level awards for best lyrics in Telugu cinema. Now, go through this. This is one of the most famous quotes of George Bernard Shaw. He said, and I quote, "We don't stop playing because we grow old, but we grow old because we stop playing." What a beautiful quote. So, dear friends, don't stop playing, otherwise you will start growing old. Friends, the second step of understanding poetry. Now I am reading out the poem as a whole. Let's start. Television by George Bernard Shaw. You know, I sometimes wish I could get in that glass green surrounded by wood. I would change the programs one by one. No more terror or murder with the gun. Political corruptions would be no more, with speculators robbing the weak and poor. This world of ours I would fill with joy, a brand new start for every girl and boy. Mother Nature would bloom anew, all mankind's dream would come true, with birds and beasts, flowers and trees, with no more poison on every breeze. The waters in each river and stream would be pure and clear, like in my dream. Yes, all the programs on my TV would be specially made for you and me. I would teach the children to love and care, the grown ups how to help and share. Each job of work that has to be done shall be shared by everyone. There will be no rich and no more poor on my television, that's for sure. Friends, we have finished about the poet and we have read the poem entirely as a whole. Now there are two other parts are remaining, that is understanding the essence of the poem and line by line meaning. As it will take a little bit longer duration, so I am splitting this video into two parts. Here I am concluding the part 1 of this video. In our second part, we will be understanding the essence of the poem, television, and line by line meaning of this poem, television. Thank you. Thanks for watching.